Think your iPhone's keeping you private? Spoiler, it's not. You might be scrolling TikTok or catching up on a US show or just trying to check your bank balance abroad. And bam, geo-blocks, data leaks, sketchy Wi-Fi risks. iPhones are great, but they're not magic. And that's where the right VPN turns your iPhone into a privacy power tool. I'm Simon for Top 10 VPN, and in this video, I'll show you why you need a VPN on iPhone, which VPNs we recommend for iOS, including a great free option, and how to elevate your protection in under 2 minutes. If you're ready to unlock more content and lock down your data, hit like and subscribe, and yet smash that notification bell like it owes you money. Let's do this. Let's talk about why your iPhone, yes, your beautiful, perfect iPhone needs a VPN. Here's 3 solid reasons. Privacy. Your internet provider, your mobile carrier, and even that free airport Wi-Fi, they can all see the apps you use and the sites you visit. A VPN encrypts your traffic and keeps your internet activity your business. Security. Free public Wi-Fi? Safer than it used to be, sure, but still dodgy as. A VPN wraps your data in an encrypted tunnel, so even if someone is sniffing around, all they see is scrambled nonsense. Streaming and access. Want to unlock US Netflix, HBO Max or Hulu abroad? A VPN lets your iPhone pretend it's in another country. It's like digital teleportation. After testing dozens of VPNs on that iPhone behind me, here are my top 3. ExpressVPN is the overall best, especially when it comes to speed and streaming access. It's exceptionally fast, so you can expect smooth HD streaming with no annoying interruptions. It unblocks many popular Netflix regions, Prime Video, BBC iPlayer, and tons of other streaming platforms. I love the super slick iOS app. It's basically plug and play, and the connections are instant. Crucially, ExpressVPN has ironclad security, a no logs policy, and a kill switch. Sign up on iOS and you'll get a 7-day free trial, plus a 30-day money back guarantee. So yes, it's quite pricey, but I'm pretty confident that, like me, you'll realise that it's worth every cent once you try it. And if not, no biggie. You get your money back within 30 days and you can try something cheaper, like private internet access. PIA is my best budget pick, as it's much cheaper than Express, but still fast and secure. And in my testing, it worked great with US Netflix, with Prime, with Hulu, and loads of others. One account lets you use it on unlimited devices too, which is awesome. I also really like the additional privacy tools and settings in all of the apps. And like ExpressVPN, you can sign up for a 7-day free trial on iPhone, so no need to worry about getting locked in with a dud VPN. Not everyone has spare cash for a VPN, especially in this economy, but you do have to be super careful to not get burned by one of the many awful free VPNs clogging up the App Store. I can recommend Proton's free service though. It's totally free with unlimited data. Yeah, really. The free service is fast and secure, and you don't actually need an account to use it. It's not all roses, sadly. The free version of Proton doesn't unblock geo-restricted streaming apps, nor will it let you pick your server location. It auto-connects you to the nearest one instead, which can be frustrating if you need an IP from somewhere specific, but is way safer than most of the free junk on the App Store. Quick reality check. Here's what even the best iPhone VPN can't do. At the time of filming, and for quite some time now, not all of your iPhone traffic flows through the VPN tunnel like it should. And as this is due to flaws in iOS itself, there's not much VPNs can do about this. You can stop some of the leaks by making sure you first enable and then disable airplane mode after connecting your VPN, as this will force all of your pre-existing connections on your device to close like they're supposed to. But this won't stop certain Apple apps and services like Maps and iCloud from leaking. There's also a vulnerability called tunnel crack, which involves a malicious website tricking your iPhone into leaking traffic outside of the VPN tunnel. Unfortunately, there's no fix for this in iOS at the time of filming. None of that cancels out the many positives of using a VPN on an iPhone. It's just something you should be aware of. So let's get you set up with a VPN on your iPhone. It's stupidly simple. Go to the App Store, search for a VPN, ExpressVPN, PIA or Proton VPN, download and install it, just tap Get and follow the prompts. Open the app, sign in if you need to, then choose a server location. Pick your country, like USA, and then hit connect. Done! You're now protected, encrypted, and ready to stream or browse like a boss. Alright, let's recap. ExpressVPN is the best overall for speed, streaming, and simplicity. PIA is my top value pick. It's great features for less cash, and Proton VPN is the best free option. Unlimited data, solid privacy. But whatever you do, don't download the first free VPN you see. Most of them are shady as hell, and will track or sell your data. Want more tips, comparisons or hands-on reviews? Head over to top10vpn.com. We got you covered. If this video helped you out, hit like, subscribe and let us know in the comments, what do you use your iPhone VPN for? Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time around.